Project Truth, telling, restoring, understanding our tapestry and history. Project Truth was a consultation that took place last year with African heritage communities in Bristol. It was commissioned by Bristol City Council via the Bristol Legacy Steering Group. The report was produced by Black South West Network in partnership with the Afrikan ConneXions Consortium. I was the lead consultant and researcher on the project, and I was also responsible for drafting the report. The report has recently been released, and you can download it via the blacksouthwestnetwork.org website. The report outlines numerous recommendations by African heritage communities regarding the ramifications and legacy of Bristol's involvement in the transatlantic trafficking and enslavement of Africans, TTEA, and how this should be recognised in the city today. The report has numerous recommendations under various chapter headings, and the chapter headings are 1. First things first, unity, identity, and re-recognition of self. Next, beyond a statue, a living site of memorial, ritual, and remembrance in a central space. Next, decolonisation in action towards an African Heritage Centre of Excellence, a Pan-African community education complex. Next, reframing education on our own terms, accessibility, relevance, empowerment, and reframing of education to suit the needs of the community. And finally, accountability and agency. This report is incredibly important for African heritage communities, important for the city. Project Truth, telling, restoring, understanding our tapestry and history.